welcome back to the video. Orion Tech Tips here, and in today's video we will be trying out SodaStream. I tried this back in like grade 2, grade 3, and I don't really remember, but there was a lot of hype around it. The hype's kind of died down, but we got the Diet Cola and the Diet Root Beer here. And we will actually be comparing it to the Coca-Cola Zero Sugar and the AMW Diet Root Beer, really just to see how it stacks up with each other. I'm going to go ahead and put these back in the fridge, just to let them chill. The water, the SodaStream water, has already been chilled, so actually I forgot to carbonate these, so I should probably do that. Was when I first got this, I had like a 5-year-old child who I let them try, and then he kept pressing this, and then I ran out of carbon dioxide, and he only used like this one mini bottle. And I'm out of carbon dioxide because this one child used it all because he thought it was cool to keep pressing the button. That was quite frustrating. Now we have carbonated water. So yes, both of these are diet because I do not drink my calories, and I wouldn't recommend you do either because that is, you can easily get into a surplus that way, as Greg Doucette says. So, you know, I drink a lot of Diet Root Beer, so let's just start off with that. SodaStream makes 0.5 liters, and then they also make 1 liter bottles. We have the 0.5. I literally just bought these yesterday. So we're just going to fill up to the first line. And then, okay, so you got the Diet Root Beer. And just dump in the syrup. In terms of the smell, yeah, that definitely does smell promising. Let's just screw on the lid. Shake it up. So SodaStream, it doesn't want you just to like shake it like that. It wants you to rotate the bottle like this. I've seen like so many people just like dump in the syrup and just like start shaking like that, like in a pre-workout, but that would just lose carbonation and then the bottle would explode on you, which wouldn't be good at all. Okay, so this is the root beer, and then now let's try the Diet Cola. Okay, the smell, it smells promising with both of them. It really does smell like I'd just be buying a Diet Coke. That was a little bit too much. Okay. That's about right. Dump that in. Ooh. And I might be trying other SodaStream diet flavors in the future. Diet Root Beer and the Diet Cola. I'll just set it right here. Can you see? Okay, I'll put the SodaStream back right by the Ninja blender. Okay, so Diet Root Beer, Diet Cola. Diet Cola right here. And then the diet root beer I'll have right here. Can you see those? Yes, you can. Okay, let's start off with the root beer because that is my favorite. It just still smells promising. So you get A&W diet root beer. Wow. Tastes really good. And then we have the SodaStream diet root beer. It doesn't really taste that good. Kind of like a bitter aftertaste that the A&W diet root beer doesn't have. Yeah, it just tastes like more bitter, artificial flavor than the A&W diet root beer. So okay, yeah, I'll put these back. Now let's go on to the Diet Coke. Or, yeah, Diet Coke, whatever. I keep wanting to call this SodaStream Diet Coke, but Coca-Cola is a brand, so I can't really do that. So I keep having to say Diet Cola, and I keep forgetting. So as always, let's start with the one that we know. I guess we can just start with the Coke Zero. I recently noticed this. I went to Walmart and I bought a case of of Coke Zero, and the can looks different. I don't usually buy Coke Zero. My mom said run to Walmart and get a case of it. So I just got this, and then when I was putting it in the fridge, I noticed, oh my god, the cans look different. I'm personally more a fan of the other cans, but it's just a can, so it doesn't really make a difference. And then moving on to the SodaStream Diet Cola. Okay, yeah, that's pretty cool. Next, it's definitely sweeter, has more of the cola tip. Oh, yeah. Okay, the dog is going crazy. I'll try to wrap this up. Tastes more like cola than the Diet Root Beer one did. Both 0 calories, and that doesn't really make a difference. You know what? I like this one better. I'll definitely give the winner to the Diet Cola. However, I'll give my verdict, wrap this up. If you are trying to save money, you drink a lot of soda, and you don't really want to go through a ton of cans because it's annoying, then yeah, pick up a SodaStream. However, if you are trying to, if you think it's going to taste as good, no, it's not. The SodaStream version definitely does taste worse. However, if you don't mind that, yeah, the SodaStream is way more convenient. 9 liters of soda packed into this little thing versus 24 cans of diet soda. But yeah, okay, I'll probably do more of these. I did see like an Ethan Harold trying all the diet sodas and then giving his opinion, so I did enjoy that. Like, why not just do SodaStream versus the actual sodas? But yeah, anyway, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.